Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2017 Infiniti QX60 that we have for sale. It's a one-owner clean Carfax vehicle. Beautiful shape inside and out. We just acquired this off lease directly from Infiniti Financial Services. If you're in the market for a mid-size crossover, the QX60 is a great choice, especially if you're looking for a luxury crossover, which the QX60 certainly is. We have the original build sheet on it. And when you're doing your shopping, it's always good to look at the fine print, make sure you're comparing apples to apples, because this has a base MSRP of $44,900, but when you add in all the equipment, that raises the original price to $55,595. So that's about $10,000 in more equipment. So maybe if you didn't know this and you're comparing this to another one that might look similar, well, if this one's a couple thousand more, but it has $10,000 more in equipment, that's something to think about. So I'll kind of go over the big ticket features that we have on this QX60. We have the Premium Plus package. That was a $2,900 option package, giving you navigation, Infiniti voice recognition, around view monitor, moving object detection, front and rear parking sensors and rain sensing wipers, as well as Infiniti Radiant illuminated kick plates. Then we have the theater package as a $2,150 option, giving you a rear entertainment system. Then we have the driver's assistance package as an $1,850 option, giving you intelligent cruise control, so that's your adaptive cruise control. Blind spot warning system, a backup collision intervention, so it'll automatically hit the brakes if a pedestrian walks behind you or a car drives behind you. Distance control assist, so that will, so if you're accelerating, but it sees a vehicle is slowing down in front of you, it'll push the accelerator against your foot just to encourage you to slow down. So that's how the distance control system works. Active trace control. We also have an eco pedal, so when you put it in eco mode, that will give you a little bit more resistance in the gas pedal as well to encourage more economical type driving. So it'll just make it harder to push down that gas pedal in eco mode, so you naturally use less gas by not using as much throttle. Then we have a 20-inch wheel package. That's a $1,000 option, and I think that's probably one of the best options on this one. For $1,000, that 20-inch wheel package really makes a dramatic difference in the way this QX60 looks. And if I was going to buy one, that's the way I'd get it. Really nice color combination of black obsidian and Java leather. Java is actually a pretty rare interior color. I don't know why I like it. I kind of call it the Goldilocks color, because some people think the black interior, the graphite, is too dark, while others think the wheat is too light. You know, I have kids, I have an Infiniti with a wheat interior, and the lighter interior colors look great, but they're harder to keep clean, so the Java is kind of a, you know, like I said, a Goldilocks. It's not too dark, not too light, and goes really nice with that black exterior. Beautiful high quality leather seats, nice piping around the seats, contrast stitching, nice hourglass waves stitched into the seat. Heated front seats. We have a drive mode selector. CVT transmission helps maximize performance and efficiency. Navigation, there is that 360-degree around view monitor, great for parallel parking, low speed maneuvering. Automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener. This one only has 25,616 miles. Also has a heated steering wheel. Most Infinitis that are coming off a 39-month lease like this one are going to have over 30,000 miles, because the lowest mileage lease you can do is about 10,000 miles a year. So most Infinitis are going to have 30,000 or more miles coming off lease. So of 25,000, pretty low mileage for a 2017. There's those upgraded 20-inch wheels. They look stunning. Definitely the way to go if you're going to get one of these. And it looks like this thing has some nearly new rubber on it as well. Tires are not cheap on these cars, so that's a big maintenance item that you will not have to worry about for a very long time. So you should definitely take that into consideration too for your car shopping. New tires are a very big deal. And here's a rear entertainment system. Look at this. Still has a plastic on the screens. Probably was never used. So that's definitely a good thing. We have the rear entertainment system. You have a conventional power outlet like you'd find in your house. So if you want to hook up a video game system, you can do that. You have an HDMI, USB port. Third row seats have a decent amount of space too. Power rear liftgate. All the seats fold fairly flat, so you have a lot of cargo space in here. Also a lot of connectivity for the passengers. You can even see both rear seat passengers in the third row, they have USB ports to charge their smartphone. A little bit of extra storage here, and that is a subwoofer for the Bose sound system. A little bit more bass. If you like music, you'll definitely appreciate the Bose sound system. For those of you who have kids in forward-facing car seats, the latch system on the second row passenger side is designed to be able to fold the seat forward with a forward-facing car seat in place for third row access. A lot of the other competition, the way the latch system is designed, you actually have to completely remove the car seat to fold that seat forward. That seems kind of crazy, but that is the case. So if you have a kid in a forward-facing car seat like me, that's something to think about when you're looking for your third row crossover. You just want to make sure you have easy third row access with those car seats in place. 2017 is a great year for the QX60 because in 2016 it got its first major facelift. Interior exterior styling was updated, but this is a 2017 model, so it got another great update for 2017, the amazing award-winning VQ35 engine. These are rock solid engines. They go 200 to 300,000 miles all the time. Don't just take my word for it, do some research. Amazing engines. My 05 G35 actually has one of these engines in it, and I can go on and on about the awesomeness of these VQ35 engines. But the good news for 2017 is the VQ series engine got upgrade to direct injection on the QX60, so it got 30 more horsepower. So it went from 265 to 295 horsepower. And not only did you get 30 more horsepower, but the gas mileage stayed just about the same. Usually when you get more power out of an engine, usually it can adversely affect the gas mileage, but that's not the case for this QX60. Thank you so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we'll see you soon, and have a wonderful day.